Ellie's getting in the game. What do you got, Ellie? Yeah, you know that's not supposed to be. No! What, Ellie? What are you thinking? Got bitey face going on over here. Ellie, you're gonna get in with the you don't like the bitey face game so much. What do you think? I'm just gonna huff and puff and go over to my fan. I'm gonna go get toys. Oh, Ellie's gone shopping in the toy box. What are you shopping for, Ellie? Oh, decisions. Look at you. Better go check what's happening to that bed over there. What do you think? Is that a good choice? Oh. And meanwhile, you've got your spectator seat again. You're already huffing and puffing. Is it time to go out again? Jack says yes, it's a wonderful time. Let them out. Release the hounds. Okay, there's one. Oops, fear locked the door. 1, 2, 3. You ready? Oh, Ellie likes the rainwater. Okay, here we go. Ready? Everybody line up. Alrighty. And the door's locked. Here we go. Okay, off on squirrel patrol. Good boy, Brodie. Oh, Ellie. Yes, everyone's doing the... He gallops like a horse. Oh. What's your favorite floaty? Oh. Time for some outdoor bitey face. What are you up to, madam? Let's play roll the puppy. A pretty similar morning routine. And it's working for everybody. Yeah, it is. What's the little monkey up to? Come on, Brodie, come over with the girls. Come on. Come see the girls. What are the girls up to? Oh, shift change. Oh, okay, we've got to give Ellie a little privacy over there. All right. Oh. Oh, we're ready to start the day with a little lounging. It's a great way to start the day. It's a little bit cooler. Maybe another month. Then we'll have perfect weather. Yeah. All right. Chill out. We'll wait for the others to see what they're doing. Good girl. Good girl, Maddie. Pretty girl. Oh, Ellie. Oh, well, we know you're significantly lighter. Look at you go. Oh my goodness. You got lots of pep in your step. And you're jolly balling. I love watching you play. Okay. Guess that was it. All right, back inside.